If we've learned anything from this past year, it's that home hair care can get a little messy. So what happens when your DIY hair treatment becomes a very long bad hair day? I'm talking the biggest hair disasters we have ever seen caught on tape.
My life sucks.
It melted to the curling iron.
He's here in person, founder and CEO of XMundo, Brad Mundo. He's going to reveal how to recover from our hairiest situations. Brad has amassed millions of followers on YouTube and TikTok for his famous, some might say infamous, reactions to hair disasters caught on tape. By the way, your hair looks perfect all the time. Have you ever had a mega hair disaster?
Yes, a lot of them actually. I filmed a video one time where I mixed all of my hair color together, put it all on my head, and it turned into a mucky brown purple color. Ooh. So I lightened it, and it all kind of snapped off a little bit, as you would expect. So it wasn't great for me.
Crackling hair.
Yep, no.
All right, let's see what kinds of hair disasters we were working with. First, have you ever seen a hairstyle online and think, it's easy enough to do at home? And then disaster strikes. Take a look at what happened when bleach took more away than just the color.
I think I might have messed up the bleaching process just a little bit.
Really bad.
I don't think your hair is supposed to look like this or come out in clumps.
Oh my God.
Catch your breath. Is her hair salvageable?
Hers, no. There's no way. That's not coming back. She has to either cut it, just let it relax for a couple months. That's not really salvageable, though.
You cut it? You shave it? I mean, it's all down to the roots.
You're gonna have to cut it very short in that case. Yeah, it's not a good idea. Protein masks, bond builders are gonna be your best friend for the situation.
Oh my goodness. Next, what about cutting your own bangs? It never really goes quite right, does it? Check out this next video.
She just goes right for it. It's not great.
Oh
no! No! Stop. No. Girl, this is not the look for you. This is not, trying to make it better now, but it's not, not the look for her, but it's cute,
As you watch these videos, and millions of us are watching you watch them, so you ever just start getting into your bones? Stop, no more.
I get chills all the time when people really ruin their hair. I want to jump through the screen and help them so badly. It's scary sometimes.
So if someone's planning on cutting their own bangs at home, what should they know?
Take your time. Use a good tutorial online. I have great ones, so look it up. Also, cut it long first. You can always go shorter. You can't go longer.
I say that in the operating room all the time.
Yeah.
You know that barbers were surgeons.
Really?
Surgeons were barbers, however you say it. You know the barbershop pole?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, do you know why it has that color on it?
Because they were surgeons.
Yes, they had white poles. They hung the bandages
Really?
wrapped around. See, we're related. Come on over.
I'm going to use that.
Please
now on
do.
as a little fun fact.
But here's the question. When someone does go too far,
Yes.
and they end up with this, I tried to recreate what happened to that young woman. What do you do? How do you fix bangs that are too short? How do you salvage this?
This is a situation, a hairy one,
Oh,
actually.
he'll be here all week. Try the corned beef.
So she looks okay. She could either go shorter with the fringe, do a really baby bang moment. We always love that. Or, you can also use a clip-on bang.
Oh,
They
that's
actually
an
just clip
idea.
right here, and it'll cover them right up.
Or never cut it in the first place.
Yeah, or don't do that. Not a great idea.
All right. Next, this TikTok creator tried straightening their hair and, well, it didn't go as expected. Did you see that little piece? It just came right off. Look. Oh.
Girl.
Look at her mouth. It's frozen open.
Oh my God, the poor girl. I feel so bad for her. Don't do that.
How do people protect their hair from those types of atrocities?
I mean,
because those irons are hot.
That one was probably extremely hot. I don't know how she did that, really, but using a heat protectant is always a great thing to do before ironing your hair, but also don't use your iron at the highest heat temperature. You don't need 450 degrees to iron your hair. It's hotter than an oven.
Why do they even offer that option?
I don't know. People with very coily super thick, dense hair do sometimes need that, but most people don't.
Mere mortals won't.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.